Okay, thanks for joining me, Tim, at Grandad's workshop, and this is going to be our final piece of the assembly. I imagine we've only got a few sections left, so we'll start with board I, which was the one we finished in the last episode, and we're going to be joining that up to the main body of the book. Just offer it up without any glue or anything, just to see if everything, I think our light for a start off wants to be manoeuvred now, because I think that's going to run along there. So this is board I, the one we've just finished, and I think that light cable is going to go along there as far as there. Side I. This is kind of the back of the book, if you like, is in place now. It's going to be a funny angle to hold these, so C6 is going to go to the top. Is it flush with the edge? No. It'll be like that, and then pull that the other way. That can go underneath like so. Just put the big piece in first. And then put the narrower part on top of that. Push the assembly back a little bit, because we're now going to make another little book holder. So back and base, B9s, two ends, B8s. And our two fancy legs, B16. So if you start with your base just fits inside that little slot, and then the same at the other side, so just pop them on. So that's section 49, a little book stand, saying put 5 wooden books in, so we'll see how that pans out, shall we? There's your balcony, and we are going to pop that in there just underneath that picture. So that's what we're going to do. That's your book stand in place there. Now you've got your longest cable, which we've left for pretty much since the beginning. That's going to get taped, not on the edge obviously, because we've got a frame. One, just like open at the bottom, and a filigree edge at the top, and that is going to go on the very front of the book, like so. So the idea is to tuck this wire up the wall, and then it's going to go across and tape onto the other side of there. Put some super glue on. To the top. Remember what super glue does to your fingers, so you might want to use a little cocktail stick or something. So that's the sort of thing there. So step 51. So that is all the books, newspapers, folding books on the floor, all that sort of stuff. We've tuck the edge, the wires up the edge. We're now putting, let's call it the roof, it's the top of the book, and it's H. So there's H. Nice neat little ceiling, and that goes with the nice pattern down, and the letter goes to the back, so you've got your wooden finish on the top and you want H to the back. I don't know if that makes a lot of difference, but let's do that. So we'll pop some glue on here. And we just need to finish this wiring off. So let's try. Now, as I say, what I'm going to do with mine, because I've sort of pulled it all through, and I've probably got too much now, because you want that to just fit there. Step 51 complete. All of that remains is step 52. Put some of our wood stroke paper glue along the edge. Let's see how that looks. Obviously the feet go to the bottom, and if it's all right then you should be able to get it flush with the edges. There you go, that is pretty much it. I'm going to let that face here just dry for a minute. I'll go have my tea, and then when we come back we'll test the lights and have a proper look at it. Turn the big lights off. Wow.